Today we're going to take an in-depth look at the Lawrence Hardware 8700 series mortise lock. This mortise lock is ANSI BHMA A156.13 series 1000 grade 1. This particular mortise lock body has all of the add-ons available to make your lock customizable to suit the specific needs of your application. So in addition to all of the myriad of different functions available, the lever designs and the finishes, you have all the add-ons available to meet all the exacting specifications of your project. This mortise lock is ideally suited to educational applications, healthcare applications, light and medium duty correctional facility applications, doctor's offices, professional offices, residential applications, and a myriad of other applications where heavy duty, high security locking is required. This mortise lock is ANSI grade 1 operational and security. It comes completely packaged with lever trim, mortise lock body, and also the cylinder. This is the LH8700 series lock from the inside. We've taken a clear plastic cover to show you the internal components. Around the perimeter is the case made from heavy gauge steel. At the top of this lock we have a deadbolt, 1 inch full throw with 5/8 of an inch remaining inside the case. We can also see that if we depress this, we have dead latching. We also have a hub blocking plate that prevents manipulation of the inside hub from the outside. All of these parts can be configured to give you different ANSI BHMA functions. The faceplate is floating to allow it to automatically adjust to the bevel of the door. On the back side, we can see we have a catch screw. This determines the inside versus the outside of the door. This cylinder retaining mechanism is made of high-strength alloy steel. It drives deep into the cylinder, thus preventing rotational attacks of the cylinder. This particular lock, depending on the parts that are included inside, can be available in all ANSI BHMA F series functions. The most common functions, of course, are passage, privacy, storeroom, classroom, dormitory, and corridor. But again, you're not limited to these functions. The LH8700 series mortise lock is CUL US fire rated for up to 3-hour doors. Let me give you a little bit of an overview of the levers, the standard commercial levers that go with this product. We have L801, L802, L811, L812, L813, L814, L815, L816, L817, L818, and the L819. Now, let me give you an overview of the designer lever series. 101, Mortise, 102, Picasso, 113, Dahlia, 116, Mandarin, 119, Logan, 126, Stella, 136, Muna, 167, Vancouver, 204, Wave, 208, Aqueous, 420, Bella, 421, Piana, 422, Sarah, 423, Miro. If you have any further questions or concerns or opportunities, please visit our website, lawrencehardware.com. Thank you for watching today.